Of snow is not something we've really seen all too often this year. Crews, though, they've been waiting for the moment to jump into action.
With plenty of expected snow on the way, CDOT is preparing to do what they can to make sure the effects on the roads are not too severe. Your reporter, Brian Sherrod, is joining us live in Denver now. And Brian, CDOT has the challenging job of covering the entire state.
And it will all actually start this morning. They said they're starting their snow shifts before the snow even starts. So on your screen, you're going to see some video they shared with me on how they actually plow the snow in the snowstorm. Now, there will also be 100 plows that will travel throughout the Denver metro area. 30 more plows will go along the I-70 mountain corridor. This is from Golden to the EJMT. It doesn't stop there. There are dozens more deployed statewide. CDOT says with heavy, wet snowfall, there could be issues with downed tree limbs falling into the roadways and possible signal outages. Denver should treat all intersections as four-way stops. CDOT also says this is the kind of storm they don't pre-treat for.
For one reason, the pavement's very warm and it's going to rain before it will snow, and that will wash away all the materials. That would just be a big waste of money and resources. It's just not necessary, and it wouldn't work anyways for this kind of storm.
Now, CDOT says with the snowstorm coming, their biggest caution is being careful around the I-70 mountain corridor. They said take your time, you have no reason to speed. They also said make sure you have emergency kits in your car, so food, clothes, your phone chargers, and also use some type of mix to get you out of snow if you're stuck. Live in Denver, Brian Sherrod covering Colorado First.
Brian, thank you. Now to your First Alert traffic as we're taking a look at